These days, stickman characters are going viral everywhere, on Reels, Shorts, and every platform. But when it comes to creating your own stickman character, things get tricky. Online, you can find thousands of stickmen, all with different actions and emotions. But the problem is they are not consistent. Making a consistent stickman isn't as easy as it looks. But today, I'm going to show you a simple trick that lets you keep your stickman the same in every scene. Different emotions, different actions, but the same character. So let's get started. So to make a video like this, I'll first give GPT this prompt. Write a short 59-second YouTube short script in a storyline style. The topic is dash. The script should sound emotional, motivational, and like a conversation with the viewer. Start with a strong hook, add a short story or thought in the middle, and end with an inspiring message. Use simple and cinematic language that fits a stickman or faceless animation. Here in the dash, you can insert any topic you want. For example, I'll type why we compare ourselves to others. So I'm making a short video as an example, but if you want to create a long form video, you can simply replace 59 seconds with 5 or 10 minutes. So as you can see, I've got my 59-second short script ready. So now let's move on to the next part. So to generate consistent stickman images, we'll need one prompt for each scene. So for that, I'll give GPT this prompt. Create simple one-line stickman prompts for each scene of this script. Each prompt should describe everything in one sentence, expression, action, and one small symbol. Keep the stickman the same in all scenes. So as you can see, GPT has given me the stickman prompts for each scene. Now remember, we need to keep these prompts very simple because the tool I use to generate consistent images doesn't understand complex prompts. So I'm talking about Nano Banana. Once you open Nano Banana, simply upload a still image of your stickman. You can easily find such images for free on stock photo websites. Then just give Nano Banana your prompts one by one for each scene. It will generate your stickman with the same consistent look, but with different expressions and actions for every scene. For example, when I enter this first prompt, you can see how amazing the result turned out. The character stayed exactly the same, no changes at all. So in the same way, I generated the second prompt too, and again the result looked fantastic. Same character, just a new expression and action. So I'll continue generating all my images this way. So here you might notice that sometimes the background turns black instead of white. That usually happens because of the GPT prompt. So I'll simply tweak the prompt a little and regenerate the image. And just like that, the background is fixed and everything looks perfect. See how simple it is. All our consistent stickman characters are now ready. So we'll just download them and move on to the next step, which is voiceover. So for the voiceover, I'll use ElevenLabs. So once you open it, click on text to speech, paste your script, choose your desired voice, and simply generate and download the audio.
But still behind. Like everyone's ahead in a race you never joined. I knew someone.
So now
Let's
comes
call
the
him.
final step, combining everything to create the complete video. So for that, I'll head to my editing tool. So today I'm using Filmora, and here I have imported both my voiceover and stickman images. So first, I'll drag the voiceover to the timeline, set the video aspect ratio to 16:9, and then arrange the images according to the voiceover timing. So after that, I'll add a simple dissolve transition between each image, and that's it. Nothing more is needed. Our video is now complete, so let's see the final result.
Ever felt like you're doing fine, but still behind? Like everyone's ahead in a race you never joined? I knew someone. Let's call him Stickman. He worked hard, smiled often, yet every night he'd scroll and sigh. He saw others winning and thought, maybe I'm not enough. But he didn't see their struggles or sleepless nights. He was comparing his behind the scenes to their highlight reels. Here's the truth. You're not meant to be better than them, just better than who you were yesterday. The real race is between your courage and your doubt. So keep going, Stickman. When you stop comparing, you start becoming.
So that was my secret to creating a consistent stickman character. Now it's your turn to give it a try. Tell me in the comments which scene impressed you the most. And hey, if you like this video, don't forget to hit a like and subscribe so you don't miss the next part where we'll make the stickman move. Until then, take care.